everybody. Today is, what's the day? Let me look at the calendar. Today is Thursday, July 7th. I'm in the house. I just came out from the garden from watering and picking cucumbers and stuff, and I'm going to get to that in a minute. Sorry, I'm always adjusting, right? I'm going to bring it over here. What I have here is a food dehydrator that has actually been sitting in my front entryway for about over 2 weeks. I have not had time to get to it. So I am going to unpack it and put it and to replace it on the counter. This weekend, my brother and my niece and nephew came and we gave them some items. We got rid of our air fryer because we've had it for a couple of years and my mother may have used it like once a year, and she was going to sell it. However, our brother's a single dad paying child support and he could really use it, and so we let him go ahead and take that, and I'm going to put the food dehydrator there in place of that. Also, we have a juicer that was used once. And so I got my NutriBullet. I really don't juice anything, but I do use my NutriBullet all the time. So my mom went ahead and gave him the juicer. So we have some room. So this food dehydrator is going to replace the area where the air fryer was, because we hardly used it. And there's some other things I want to get, like a water distiller and maybe an ice maker. Ice maker on the fridge went out, so I've been looking at those. At least got to have ice, and you know, at all times it was 98 degrees out here today. So, and we're only in the beginning of July. California summer lasts till October, right before Halloween. So yeah, we're gonna need ice. So this is a Magic Meal food dehydrator. I have been researching these for the past few months. I've seen Homestead Heart, Miss Renee from Renee's Garden. I've seen Lady Led. I've seen Tina, the New Orleans gardener, Miss Linda, use a food dehydrator. I probably was actually looking about a year ago to get one, and so I finally saved up and was able to get a food dehydrator. So let's see how I can take this stuff out of here. These are the racks that go in the food dehydrator. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack this and let you see what it looks like when it's done.